Hello students, welcome back to my video. So we were doing the exercise 5.1. Okay, so I have shown you the questions from 1 to 7 and given you the homework. So I hope that you have done all the homeworks. Then we'll start from question number 8 today. So question number 8 is what? Arrange the following integers in ascending order. So you have to arrange these integers given in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. That means from smaller to bigger. Okay, so let's do this. So students, you can see here we'll arrange these integers in ascending order, means smaller to bigger. So which is the smallest number here? So minus 5, 10, minus 4, 0 and 14. So minus 5 is the smallest number. Okay, so we'll start from minus 5. So minus 5, then you have to give this sign. Okay, because this is going from smallest to biggest. So you have to give this sign, do not give comma. Minus 5, then which will come? Minus 4. Then greater than this is what? Minus 5 minus 4, then 0. Okay, now greater than this is what? 10, and greater than this is 14. That means the greatest integer is 14. So in this way you have to arrange in ascending order. That means smallest to biggest. Understood? Now question number B, D and E are your homework. Now C number, let's do it here. Here 6 minus 8, 7 minus 9 and minus 10. So which is the smallest one? The smallest number integer is what? Minus 10. Then this sign. Then which one? Minus 9. Then minus 8. Then 6. Then 7. 7 is the greatest one. Understood? In this way. Now question number 9. Arrange the following integers in descending order. Descending order means from bigger to smaller. So let's do this. A number. Now students, here minus 150, 100, minus 200, 30 and 5. So which is the greatest number? The greatest number is 100. Okay. So it is 100, like this you have to write, and you give this sign because this is greater than sign. Then which number will come? Then 30 will come. 30, then 5, because all the negative numbers are greater. Then what? Which will come? 150 or 200? Minus 150 will come. Okay, and the smallest one is minus 200. Understood? So this is the descending order from bigger to smaller. So again, B number, D number and E number are your homework. Now let's do C number. Now here you can see 0 minus 7, 14 minus 18 minus 20. Which is the greatest number? The 14 is the greatest number. So we'll write 14, then greater than symbol. Then after that, which is the greatest number? Here it is given. Then 0. Then what will come here? Minus 7. Then what will come? Minus 18. Then at last minus 20. So this from greatest to smallest. Okay. Now students, question number 10. Using a number line, write the integers which is. So you have to make the number line, you have to show in this way. 7 more than minus 5. So you have to see which number will come. If you plot 7 more than minus 5, that means more than minus 5 means you have to go forward. Minus 5 plus 7. That means when you move forward from minus 5, that means forward means right hand side. Then which number will come? So let's do it. So students, you can see this is the number line. So I have plotted 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, and this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10 I have plotted. So you can plot according to the question. So you have to move 7 more than minus 5. So where is minus 5? That means you have to move from minus 5. So you have to move right side from minus 5. So this is the minus 5. So 7 more than, that means you have to move 7 places. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. So in this way you have to go 7 places right side. So this, what we get? We get 2. We get plus 2. Okay, so when we move from 7 more than minus 5, we get the answer 2. In this way you have to go, and you have to give arrow here. Okay, that means it is going this side. So this is the answer. The answer is 2. Okay, you will write answer is 2 in this way. Okay, next B number, C number and E number are your homework. Now D number, let's do it. So students, here D number 4 less than -1. That means you will start from -1 and you go this left side because less than side, so which is less than, that means you will have to go this left side. So from -1 you will start. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 steps you have to go. So this is our final answer. So -5 is our final answer because we are going 4 steps less than -1. So answer is -5. Okay, so you'll write -5. You will reach the position -5 in this way. Understood? Now question number 11. If you move 3 numbers from the left of 1 on the number line, what integer you will reach? Again on the number line you will see. If you go, if you move 3 numbers from the left of 1, that means left of 1 means you have to go left side. 3 numbers, then 3 steps you have to go left of 1. Then what number will get? So again do this in number line. Okay students, now see 11 number question. The question is you have to move 3 numbers left from 1. So this is 1. You will go 3 steps left. So this side. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 steps. So this is our answer. So you have to give the arrow also here. So what we got? Which number we got? We got -2. This integer we got. So you have to write at last, when we move 3 numbers left of 1 on the number line, then we get -2. Okay. The last number, question number 12. Describe your position in relation to your starting point if you walk 10 steps forward followed by 7 steps backward. That means you have to find out the position where you are. That means if you go 10 steps forward and again come back 7 steps backward, then which position you are in? So you are in which position? You are in third number position. Okay. Students, here see, I have made the 10 steps. So if you are going 10 steps forward from here, okay. So in this way, you are going in this side 10 steps forward. Again, if you come 7 steps backward, that means in this way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means where you are reaching? You are reaching to step number 3. So this is your answer. Okay. So the position is 3 steps forward. So here you will reach. So students, in this way our exercise 5.1 is complete. So do all the homeworks that I have given and practice the questions. Okay. Thank you.